In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to address the frustrating white screen issue on Google Chrome. We've all been there. You open up your browser, hoping to get some work done or browse your favorite sites, only to be greeted by what seems like an endless expanse of white. Don't worry, I've got you covered with some straightforward steps to get everything back up and running smoothly. First things first, let's make sure the issue isn't just a temporary glitch. Close all the tabs you've got open and totally exit Chrome. This gives your browser a fresh start. Once you've done this, try reopening Chrome. If the problem persists, it's time to dive a bit deeper. One common workaround that resolves this issue is to clear the cache and cookies in your browser. These are files that store information about your browsing habits and website data, and sometimes they can cause these annoying hiccups. So, head over to the three-dot menu at the top right corner of Chrome, navigate to More Tools, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. You'll want to select a time range. It's often best to go with all time to be sure you're clearing out everything that could be causing trouble. Make sure the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked, then hit Clear Data. Let it work its magic and then try reopening Chrome again. If you're still seeing the white screen, the next step is to disable any extensions that might be causing conflicts. Extensions are great little tools, but occasionally they can be the root of issues like this. Go back to the three-dot menu, select More Tools, and then Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of all the extensions currently active. Toggle off each extension one by one, checking each time if the white screen disappears. If disabling a particular extension resolves the issue, you may have found your culprit. Should these steps not resolve the issue, it's worth checking if Chrome needs an update. Keeping your browser up to date is crucial for security and functionality. To update, just go to the menu again, navigate to Help, and click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically begin updating if a newer version is available. Lastly, if after trying all these steps you're still facing the same problem, resetting Chrome settings might be the way to go. This will restore the browser to its default settings and can solve stubborn issues. Be mindful, though, that this will reset all your settings and remove temporary data such as cookies. To do this, head to Settings, find Advanced Settings, and select Restore Settings to their original defaults. That wraps up our guide on fixing the white screen issue on Google Chrome. With these simple steps, you should be able to resolve the issue swiftly and get back to your usual browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.